In this video, I will show you how you can fix sound and speaker problems on any iPad. Now to fix these problems, first of all, try to increase the volume of your iPad using the volume buttons. In many cases, there is no issue with the speakers of your iPad, but you have decreased the sound on your iPad. So just increase the volume of your iPad using the buttons or from the slider in the control center. Now after you do that, then just go to settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on sounds. From here, just check if silent mode has been enabled or not. If silent mode is enabled, just turn it off from here. Now also make sure you increase the slider for the ringtones and alerts. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process has been completed, then just check if the speakers of your iPad are working or not. If they're still not working, then for the next step, just open the control center, then go to the connection section in the control center. And from here, just check if Bluetooth has been enabled on your iPad or not. If Bluetooth is turned on, just turn it off. Because in many cases, when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones or to any external speaker, and this is why sound might not be coming out of the speakers of your iPad. So just turn off Bluetooth and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Now just check if mono audio has been enabled or not. If this feature is enabled, just turn it off. And also on this page, just scroll down and check if either the slider is either on the left side or on the right side. You will face sound problems on your iPad. So make sure you set the slider to the middle. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to General, and from here just tap on Software Update. Now if there is any update available, just update the software of your iPad, and after you do that, then just go back to the General Settings, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You'll just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now, if your issue is still not fixed, then just check the speakers of your iPad and check if they are blocked by any dust or debris. Now, if the speakers of your iPad are blocked, just clean them using a soft brush. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the sound and speaker problems on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.